welcome to Joe's garden. Now most of you would have cut a tree down back of your garden or the front. Now I'm going to show you a good way to use it. Now the best plant is going to fit into this is a fern. Now first thing you have to do, cut a big hole in it, and then I'll drill my drainage hole. And then what we do to stop them drainage holes being blocked up, cover them over with slate or stone, whatever you got. Now the soil I'm going to use here is a soil-based compost, and added to that I've put farmyard manure. Okay. The reason I put farmyard manure in it, I want a bit of moisture in the roots base. Yeah. So now what we do, knock it out, and I'll give it a bit of feed as well. Slow release granules. Make sure that you leave a little gap around it so the water can go in and not run off. And then what I'll do on top of that, put a bit of bark decoration. Now this is one I've done about a few years ago. Now this is an old cherry tree which I've cut down. After 3 years, it should look like this. There we go. Until next time.